Look, we all can see this is the refrigerator, food and can holder, but it's broken. So this is how we're going to repair it with low cost and very simple. And this is what I call the food holder. So when you put any kind of like double shot coffee, it will hold in place. But what happened is it broke here. I have no reason. I don't know why, but we can repair it very fast and low cost. So here this the one that they sell food holder. There is nothing holding into it because it just broken it in half. So I'm gonna share with you the technique how we can re-glue it, repair it. Like you all can see, I used an old sour top, vinyl or plastic, to reinforce the refrigerator tray holder for food and can. So it's very simple alternative low cost. Like you all can see, I'm reinforced with a piece of plywood and a plastic clamp all over the place. And then underneath here to reinforce it, to make it stronger and healthier. And this is the blue tape, so you can align. Very systematic. Like you all can see now, I'm going to remove the clamp and see how strong it is. We review it. Okay, this is the first clamp. I'm going to remove it. Second, third, and fourth. So on, because behind here I do have a piece of wood to reinforce it. And as you can see, I put a blue tape. It's a painting tape. So when I connect the A piece and the B piece together, you will not see too much, except over here because I didn't want to do it right. But right here, you will not see anything. And like I said, I double up. This is the original second vinyl or plastic and another piece. And now you can see that. And let's review it. Very strong and sturdy. I hope you all can see. You see here the line, and here's the glue where I put these two pieces together. And these to be totally separate. And then behind here I reinforce the old sour top. And you can see on the side I double pieces. This one here is the original. I got one piece, two piece. And from this end to the center line where it broke, I give 5 inches. And the total length is 10 to make it stronger. Like you all can see, this is a refrigerator for the can holder and for food holder, and they have a rocket right here to hold it up. But like on the bottom here, we don't have anything. It can slide out and the grape can go out easily. So after I repair and glue the piece together, and now we'll be able to put it back. But the thing is, the glue side, it has to be outside but that's okay. Now we have a new piece, and this one it cannot go out, like you see, and the grip cannot go out, and it's very strong and sturdy. Total is on the house because I'm using an old topsoil to put it back. But this piece here, since it doesn't look too good, I will remove it. I put it on the bottom cell, and I will take the bottom cell and I put it up in here. Have fun, guys. Enjoy. Bye. As you all can see, this is a window or sliding door, curtain slider, the plier. It comes with a plier, vinyl, and you all can use this to reinforce the broken piece of the handle. If you all cannot find the vinyl, and this piece right here, well, actually it's longer, I can use like a curtain slider, vinyl, or the window, and then you cut it out to small strip. I already did it. See, this is only the one that you need 1/8 of an inch or 1 inch is be okay, and then you glue it together, and you put like 3 or 4 pieces like this. And when this thing you glue it together with the original one, it will become one piece. So it will be very strong. And sometimes you can get it for free if you go to like Home Depot, Orchard, Lower, or any other hardware where they sell the curtain. And because sometimes the customer buy the ply is too long and they have to trim it down. So just go to where they cut the where the machine they cut it, look in the can. Sometimes they have it there. You can get it for free, but make sure you ask them though. So this is an alternative if you could not find anything better.